Hello and welcome, my dear Standard 11 students. Today I'm back with continuation of chapter 1.1, Being Neighborly. I had told you that this chapter being a little longer one, it would be convenient for you to study it in parts, and hence this second part for you. Now in the first part, in the first lecture of this particular chapter, do you remember the details? It's a beautiful relationship between the four girls who live in a house which is away from the main city. उसके लिए एक word भी है, and that word is a suburb. Suburb is a place which is away from the main city. And how is the location? It's quite peaceful. The roads are empty. All right. And how is the description of this house? If you remember, it's just a very simple house, not a very posh one. वो डिस्क्रिप्शन से पता चलता है कि दिस फैमिली इज अ वेरी मिडिल क्लास टिपिकल फैमिली, बट द बॉन्डिंग बिटवीन द गर्ल्स with their parents is very deep. All right, the bonding, they share a very close bonding. They all share, the parents and the four daughters, they share a very simple but a very beautiful bonding. At the same time, उनके घर के बाजू में एक ऐसा और भी बड़ा घर है which is very posh, it's luxurious. But what does the most liveliest of the four girls, if you remember her name, she was Jo. She was adventurous. So what does she notice about this particular house? वो देखती है और ऑब्जर्व करती है कि ये घर भले ही बहुत बड़ा है, बहुत लग्जूरियस है, आलीशान है. There are not many members living in the house. It's just a small young boy, maybe of her age, and he lives with his grandfather. She has not actually formally spoken to him. But then एक बार जब वो उससे मिली है, उसने ये नोटिस किया है कि that boy, he is missing fun, yes, and society. This is the line that she uses. Fun and society means people. He wants relationship, he wants the company of friends, but उसके पास unfortunately कुछ है नहीं. और क्यों नहीं है? We gradually come to know, जैसे हम पढ़ रहे हैं lesson, that probably he is ill. बीमार रहता है ये बच्चा. इसके लिए उसके ऊपर बहुत सारे restrictions है. उसे बाहर जाना मना है. He cannot sit and he is not supposed to sit and read books for a long time. So there are a lot of restrictions that are there with him. All right. And so one fine day, out of curiosity, Jo notices that the boy's grandfather has left. He's gone outside. And वो जाती है वहां पे, वो बात करती है उस लड़के से, उनकी दोस्ती बढ़ती है. And she, indirectly she coaxes him or she influences him to invite her to his house. Okay, उसे उनका घर अंदर से देखना है. So she influences him to invite her to his house. So he calls her in. All right, and then when she comes in, she says, should I read you something? Because he's got a lovely collection of books. तो वो कहता है कि नहीं, ये सारी किताबें जो है मेरे घर में, I've just finished reading all of them. Why don't we just talk? So why even this sentence, a lot of indications. So even this sentence tells us that this boy, he just wants to talk. He wants somebody with whom he can share, talk. All right. And so as they are talking, Jo realizes that this boy, even though he has not spoken to them, what has he done? He has noticed a lot of things about them. He knows all the four girls. He knows the relationship that they share with their mother. He even, he's missing out the conversation. All the four girls are sitting with their mother on the table. And the talks that they have, he can see all of them when their curtain is not closed completely. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से जो को पता चलता है कि ये लड़का सच्ची में, as in it's good that I've come today. Even she is enjoying. Alright, उसके घर में एक जो चीज है वो यहाँ पर है, and वो है ऐशो आराम, luxury. तो उसे ये भी मजा आ रहा है. All right. And this girl being very talkative, वो कहती है कि अरे all my sisters they tell me that I don't know when to shut my mouth, when to stop talking. I can go on and on and on. This is what she tells him. और ये लड़का भी, as in both of them, these it's a very beautiful friendship that they are sharing. All right, so let's continue. I had stopped on page 7, the first paragraph, and I continue right from where I've stopped. So this is the second paragraph from where I continue. Her face is right opposite, and it looks so sweet behind the flowers. I can't help watching it. I haven't got any mother, you know. So, you know, your her, the word her that he's using, okay, her is the mother. Okay, all the 4 girls, the mother. He's talking about their mother. Okay, he says that when I look at her, okay, her face is really very sweet. I just cannot stop myself from looking at her. I haven't got any mother. So, you know, this boy, we can make out the only reason he's living with his grandfather is because he has no mother. I can't help watching it. Okay, I haven't got any mother. So we can see that. So he doesn't have any mother. Laurie poked the fire. Okay, he had a stick in his hand probably, and he was just playing with the fire to hide a little twitching of the lips that he could not control. So, you know, this was what a twitching of the lips is an indication of his nervousness. Okay, he is he's missing out everything, but he just cannot talk about all that to anybody. Okay, because uske ghar mein there are lots of servants, he says, lot of maids. But एक सिर्फ grandfather है, जो कम बात करते हैं शायद. So he doesn't know whom to share. And now finally he is talking to somebody of his age. Okay. Then the solitary, hungry look. This is another beautiful line. Solitary, hungry look. Solitary is lonely. Hungry, do you think the boy is really hungry for food? No. यहाँ पे वो hungry किस लिए है? वो भूखा किसके लिए है? He is hungry for friends, for family, for relationships. Okay, so solitary, hungry look in his eyes went straight to Joe's warm heart. So Joe was very sensitive enough to understand that this boy really needs a friend with whom he can talk to. She had been so simply taught that there was no nonsense in her head. And at 15, she was as innocent and frank as any child. So, you know, she had been taught right values at her home. उसे घर में सिखाया गया था कि क्या सही है, क्या गलत है, कैसे लोगों की मदद करनी है, क्या करना है जिंदगी में. So she was as innocent as frank. बेझिझक थी वो, बिंदास थी. But at the same time, there was an innocence in her head. Laurie was sick and lonely. So this boy, he was sick and lonely. All right. Feeling how rich she was in home and happiness. So, you know, he just used to, both of them, we can see students, that both the children, Laurie was sick and lonely, and he just wanted to have a family and some friends. Whereas this particular girl, she had a family, but then she was eager and curious to have a luxurious home. She gladly tried to share it with him. Okay, she was happy to share her happiness with him. Her face was very friendly, her sharp voice unusually gentle, as she said. So she was very gentle, very kind, and as she was talking, she very innocently she said that now onwards we'll never draw a curtain anymore, and I will give you leave to look as much as you like. So this is completely innocent thought, you know. She says that I cannot give him, he does not have a mother, he does not have any such many people in the house, so why not deny him? उसे क्यों, as in how can I stop him from the pleasure that he gets looking at my mother? मेरी माँ और मेरी बहनों को, as in हम सबको family को देखकर अगर उसे खुशी मिल रही है, so I should not stop him. So she says that I'll never draw the curtain. Okay, I'll keep it open so that you can peep as and when you want. और better, okay, वो उसे और भी एक अच्छा suggestion देती है. वो कहती है you should come over. Okay, यहाँ पे देखो, she tells him that you should come over. All right, you should come over means she's inviting him to her house. She says mother is so splendid, that is lovely, she's just very kind, she would do you heaps of good. Okay, she will be very good to you. और देखो उसके प्लान्स देखो, उसके पास सारा प्लान रेडी है. All right, she says that Beth would sing to you if I begged her. Your beg meaning request. If I request, Beth would sing to you. Amy can dance. Meg and I, you know, we can crack jokes. That's what she says. Laugh over our funny stage properties. They are full of cracking jokes. Jolly times. Wouldn't your grandpa let you? क्या आपके grandpa आपको छोड़ेंगे? Oh, I think he would if your mother asked him. So, you know, here by this we can make out that the boy's grandfather is a little strict. So he says that, yes, my mother, if your mother asks him, he would let me, he would allow me. He's very kind, though he does not look so. Okay, वो दिखते नहीं है, but वो है, वो उतने भी बुरे नहीं है. Okay, and he lets me do what I like pretty much. Only he's afraid I might not be a bother to strangers. So grandfather feels that I should not be a trouble to strangers. Began Laurie, brightening more and more. Brightening means here he was happy. उसके दिल में, उसके मन में एक आशा की किरण जाग रही थी. वो खुश हो रहा था बच्चा कि फाइनली अगर मुझे मेरे दादाजी ने अगर हाँ कहा तो मैं इनके घर जा सकता हूँ, थोड़ा खेल सकता हूँ. Okay, so we are not strangers, we are neighbors, and you needn't think you would be a bother. So you know, here again look at how simple the family thinks. वो कहती है कि come on, you cannot be a bother to us, we are our neighbors. ये हमारा duty है, this is our duty to help each other since we are neighbors. Okay, so next paragraph. Students, there is one question that we can discuss. Bring out the contrast in the lives of Joe and Laurie. So we can say Joe was missing his family. He did not have a mother. The only family he had was his grandfather. Whereas Laurie, all right, she had too many people in her family with whom she could share her joys, happiness. Okay, it was a mother, her 3 sisters. Okay, father. So you know, this is how. So Joe, even though her house was not that luxurious, had a beautiful family. Whereas Laurie, in spite of having luxury in his life, he was missing out, he was sick, and he was lonely, and he was hungry for people. So this is how you can write. Students, remember, there will be many questions to which you won't get direct answer. जैसे स्कूल में या when you were in lower classes, passage में बस यहाँ से ये lines pick किया and you would just copy them. It's not like that. And hence, students, I'm trying a lot to explain. So you basically, what I feel is you need to understand and write in your own words. Okay. So, okay. So he's brightening more and more, meaning he's quite happy. He's satisfied. So Joe says that we are not strangers, we are neighbors, and don't worry, you will not be a problem. Okay, so we want to know, you and I have been trying to do this ever long. We haven't been here a great while, you know, but we have got acquainted with all our neighbors, but you. So she says that we know all our, Joe itni bindas hai ki uske man mein jo kuch aa raha hai, she's just talking to him. So she says that, see, I'm highlighting some important phrases. She says that we all our neighbors except for you, but you matlab तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम्हारे अलावा हम यहाँ पे एरिया में, इस एरिया में हम बहुत सारे लोगों को सब जानते हैं. Okay, so again, students, look at this question. So Laurie has luxury, Laurie has all facilities at home, yes, and he has got all richness, but he does not have a mother, he does not have friends. Okay, he does not have a complete family. Okay, and here he says that Laurie, now it's Laurie who's talking. You see, grandpa lives among his books. He doesn't mind much what's happening outside. So, you know, this line tells us that his grandfather was a person who enjoyed his own company. उन्हें ज़्यादा लोग, शायद ज़्यादा भीड़-भाड़, ऐसा नहीं था कि वो बुरे थे, but उन्हें उनका nature was a little different. He enjoyed his company of books, not much people. Okay. So we have come to the end of this page 7. I go on to the next page. Students. Okay, Mr. Brooke, there's another person now who's introduced, Mr. Brooke. You can underline his name. Okay, who is he? He is Laurie's teacher. Tutor is a teacher. ये ऐसा समय था जब स्कूल्स में ज्यादातर बच्चे जाते नहीं थे. ठीक है, मोस्टली ये जो बड़े खानदान के बच्चे थे उनके उनके घर पे there was either a tutor or a governor who used to come and teach. Okay, so Mr. Brooke, his tutor, he did not stay there for a long time. बस अपना काम अपना उसे पढ़ा कर जाते थे. So now we have come to the next page, page 8. Okay, I've come back to this page. Yes, here we are. So I just stop at home. I just stop at home and get on as I can. Okay, I have no other thing but to stay at home. That's bad. You ought to make an effort and go visiting everywhere you are asked, and then you will have plenty of friends, pleasant places to go on. So she says that you should not do that. You should go out, talk to people. Never mind being bashful. Bashful means never mind being, don't worry, don't think of too many formalities. Okay, you should just go out. अब तुम्हें बाहर निकलना चाहिए. ऐसे घर में रहना ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. It won't last long if you keep going. You can just keep on continue. आज इस friend वो friend तुम्हें दोस्तों से मिलना चाहिए, बात करना चाहिए. Okay, Laurie turned red again. Red means he was embarrassed. Okay, उसे मतलब लगा कि अरे इस लड़की के पास इतने सारे दोस्त हैं, ये लड़की है फिर भी इसके पास इतने सारे दोस्त हैं और मैं यहाँ पे किसी को जानता भी नहीं हूँ. He wasn't offended, उसे बुरा नहीं लगा. Being accused of bashfulness, okay, he wasn't offended, उसे बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं लगा with the comparison that Joe was doing. But for there was so much goodwill in Joe, because Joe ने उसे पता है Joe ने जो कुछ कहा था वो उसकी भलाई के लिए कहा था. It was impossible not to take her blunt speeches as kindly as they were meant. लेकिन it was impossible. उसे कहीं ना कहीं उसे चुभ रहा था. Okay, because as you know, truth is really very blunt. It can prick. So here also Joe, whatever Joe spoke, it had pricked Laurie in his heart. So describe the effect that Laurie's words had on Joe. So Laurie was a little offended. He was a little hurt because whatever Joe had spoken, it was true, all right, and that is why it was hurting him. Okay, so उसे topic देखो, ये लड़का भी कुछ कम smart नहीं था. Just to change the topic, what does he say? Do you like your school? He's asking her. तो टॉपिक चेंज करने के लिए उसने स्कूल की बात निकाली. Said the boy, changing the subject. Okay, after a little pause during which he stared at the fire, Joe looked about her, well pleased. Okay, उसे पता था कि उसने जानबूझकर उसे टोककर टॉपिक चेंज किया था. So he didn't know what to do. He was feeling a little guilty. Okay, इसके लिए वो चुपचाप ये सवाल पूछकर, where does he look? He looks at the fire. Now students, ये ऐसा समय है अमेरिका में जब बहुत ठंड है और बहुत सारे घर में there was fire. अभी in today's time, of course, they have heaters. Okay, they have heaters, but this is a very old story written a long ago. So during this time, most of the houses had fire. I don't go to school. I'm a businessman. I mean a girl. Okay, I go to wait on my great aunt, and a dear cross old soul she is too, answered Joe. So as I told you, this was a time when not everybody used to go to school. Okay, so Joe says, I don't go to school, I just go out whenever I have some work. Okay, और वो कहाँ जाती है? वो अपनी एक, she goes to meet her great aunt. All right. Okay, and a dear cross old soul. Cross old soul is old fashioned for anger. Okay, she gets angry and यहाँ पे उसके exactly she doesn't want to call her angry, but then probably शायद उसको इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगती है, but still she has to go and visit her. Okay, wait on is to meet. Students, wait on is to meet. I go and stay with my aunt. ठीक है, मेरी ग्रेट आंट मतलब बड़ी, उसकी कोई रिलेटिव है, एज से बड़ी है, so probably she doesn't like her, but still she has to go because she is old. So Laurie opened his mouth to ask another question, but remembering just in time, just a minute, students, I need to go back to that page. I have just, okay, yeah. Laurie opened his mouth to ask another question, but remembering just in time that it wasn't manners to make too many inquiries into people's affairs, he shut it again, looked uncomfortable. So, you know, this particular boy, he knows what he is doing. अगर उसे लगा कि मैं बार बार अगर उसकी जिंदगी के बारे में पर्सनली कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, she might not like it. And you know, now that he had a friend, he didn't want to offend her. उसे hurt नहीं करना था. ठीक है. Joe liked his good breeding. All right. So manners, good breeding means your good manners. Okay. This boy was quite full of manners and didn't mind having a laugh at Aunt March. So she gave him a lively description of the fidgety old lady. So you know, वो उसे पता था कि ये लड़का बहुत ही अच्छा है, उसका मजाक नहीं उड़ाएगा. इसके लिए वो क्या करती है, वो जिस आंटी के पास जाती है, आंट मार्च, okay, so उसके बारे में वो बात करती है. She describes her. And how does she describe? She says that old lady, okay, she's a fidgety old lady. Fidgety मतलब कुछ ना कुछ करती रहती है. She's, now you remember students, she's talking about Aunt March, her relative, जिससे वो बार बार मिलने जाती है, रुकने जाती है. And how is she described? She's a fidgety old lady. Okay, बहुत बूढ़ी है. Fat poodle, a pet. Okay, the parrot that talked Spanish. So she's describing the library where she reveled. Okay, so ये सब कुछ है उस आंटी के घर पे, और जब वो जाती है तो ये सब कुछ वो करती है. Okay, so she's telling him just for, you know, making fun of her aunt, but then she knows, okay, she knows that he won't mind. Laurie enjoyed that immensely, and when she told about the prim old gentleman who came once to woo Aunt March, woo is to impress. Okay, so Joe is just going on. From these lines, students, we can make out that Joe is continuously talking to him. First, she started with her talking about Aunt March, and she almost tells him everything. She also tells him that there was an old uncle who used to come to impress her aunt. Okay, and in the middle of fine speech, how Paul had tweaked his wig off to his great dismay. The boy laid back and laughed till tears ran down his cheeks. Okay, so she tells him that old man who had come to talk to her, एक बार क्या होता है, उसका wig जो है, wig गिर जाता है. And you know, ये सुनकर ये लड़का इतना हंसने लगता है कि there are tears running down, खुशी के आंसू. खुशी के आंसू उसके फेस पर है, because he doesn't know, nobody has told him all these things, you know. Oh, that does me no end of good. Tell on, please, tell on. Okay, he doesn't want her to stop. Taking his face out of the sofa cushion, red and shining with merriment. Merriment is fun. Okay, he's really very happy with whatever she has told him. He's enjoying, much elated with her success. Elated is again happy. She's very proud that she is successful in making him laugh. Okay, Joe went on to telling him about their plays and plans. क्या क्या मस्ती ये लड़कियां करती है, hopes and fears, क्या क्या उसे लगता है, डर लगता है. Okay, everything for father. Now see, now the father is introduced. Okay, Joe introduces her father. Okay, how they enjoy with the father, but at the same time they are scared of him. Okay, interesting even. So you know, you can just imagine, students, how much that this girl is talking. And they got talking about books. So you know, this is the first meeting. This is the first meeting that Joe is having with Laurie. But students, we can imagine that how much this girl has capacity to talk. And remember, this talking is just out of innocence. वो इतनी मासूम सी बच्ची है कि उसके दिमाग में एक ही चल रहा है, कैसे मैं इस लड़के के साथ दोस्ती बनाऊं so that I can make him comfortable. Somewhere she has pity for him. उसे बुरा भी लग रहा है क्योंकि इस लड़के के पास अपनी कोई फैमिली नहीं है. Okay, so then this is end of page 8. We go on to page 9. Okay, we go on to page 9. Yes. Okay, then talking about books. Okay, so she comes to know that Laurie also loved the books and had read even more than herself. So now she understands that ye ladka, obviously he has read much more than her, क्योंकि उसके पास books है, उसके पढ़ाने के लिए कोई teacher घर पे आते हैं, तो obviously he is little more educated than her. If you like them so much, come down and see ours. Grandfather is out. You needn't be afraid. वो लड़का उसको कहता है कि उन्होंने अगर तुम्हें भी अगर किताबें पसंद है, okay, here them refers to books. If you like them referring to books. Okay, why don't you आओ हमारे लाइब्रेरी. पहले स्टूडेंट्स बड़े बड़े जो घर थे उनमें अपना एक अलग कमरा रहता था, which they used to call as library. So you know, the boy tells her that my grandfather is not at home. You need not be afraid. Okay. Look at this girl. She tells him that, oh, I'm not afraid of anything. देखिए नॉर्मली उसे लगता है कि मैं डरता हूँ मेरे ग्रैंडफादर से, तो शायद ये भी डरती होगी, बट नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. She says, I'm not afraid of anything. I don't believe it. ओके कहता है कि how is it possible? How is it possible? I don't believe you are. Okay, I don't believe it. Okay, looking at her with much admiration. Admiration is quite, he is quite impressed with her कि अरे इतनी लड़की है, मेरे एज की लड़की है और मेरे ग्रैंडफादर से डरती नहीं है. Okay, though he privately thought that she would have good reason to be trifle afraid of old gentleman if she met him in some of his moods. Some of his moods मतलब वो कहता, उसे लगता है कि ठीक है अभी मेरे ग्रैंडफादर सामने नहीं है, इसके लिए probably she's talking like that. But if in case my grandfather comes in and if he's in bad mood, then maybe she'll be afraid of him. Some of his moods means bad mood, angry mood. Okay, so next paragraph. The atmosphere of the whole house being summer-like, Laurie led the way from room to room, letting Joe stop to examine whatever struck her fancy. So you know, Laurie is just अभी यहाँ पे ये दो बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? Laurie is taking Joe to a trip to inside his house. Okay, एक कमरे से दूसरे कमरे जा रहे हैं. और जो क्या कर रही है? She's so impressed with the house that she's stopping in every room. She's going through all the things, even though it's bad manners, because she's also a girl, okay, and she is quite innocent. And ये सारी चीजें उसके लिए नई है. Okay, they're all new for her. At last, where do they come? They come to a library where she clapped her hands and pranced as she always did when specially delighted. She was happy, she was jumping. Okay, that place was lined with books, full of books. There were pictures, there were statues, distracting little cabinets full of coins. Curiosities are expensive things, you know. Curiosities are those things, showpieces. We can call them showpieces. Okay, coins and curiosities, expensive things, showpieces, the things just meant for looking. Sleepy hollow chairs. Hollow chairs are kind of those आराम कुर्सी जहाँ पे बैठ के आप पढ़ सकते हो. Queer tables, like strange tables, अलग अलग चीजें. Bronzes मतलब statues. Okay, best of all, great open fireplace with quaint tiles all around it. ओके, सो यहाँ पर ये कमरे में क्या क्या चीजें हैं? इतनी सारी चीजें हैं जो इस लड़की ने कभी देखी नहीं है. उसके घर में ये सारी चीजें नहीं है. सो यू नो, शी इज रियली वेरी हैप्पी लुकिंग एट इट, टचिंग ऑल ऑफ देम, फीलिंग ऑल ऑफ देम. व्हाट रिचनेस. Okay, what richness, sighed Joe. She's remarking, अरे इतनी अमीरी. Okay, sinking into the depth of the velour chair, the soft chair, gazing about her with an air of intense satisfaction. She's so happy क्योंकि उसके दिमाग में कब से एक चीज थी कि मुझे ये घर के अंदर जाकर देखना है. I want to go inside this house and have a look at everything. And finally, when she's able to do it, she's really very, very happy. Theodore Lawrence, you ought to be the happiest boy in the world. Look at it, students. It's human nature, isn't it? हमारे पास जो चीज नहीं है, वो हमेशा हमें चाहिए होती है. So she calls him by his complete name. Laurie is his short form, but his name is Theodore Lawrence. Okay, you ought to be the happiest boy in the world. So students, the happiest boy. Okay, she feels that of course उसे जिंदगी में और क्या चाहिए, इतना कुछ है उसके पास, ऐसा उसे लगता है. Okay, a fellow can't live on books. This line is highlighted because he says that इंसान सिर्फ किताबों से और अमीरी पे नहीं जी सकता. So as I told you, हमारे पास जो चीज नहीं होती है वो चीज हमें definitely we need it all the time. And so see, Joe doesn't have richness, so she wants it. Whereas Laurie has richness, but he does not have family and friends, so he always wants that. So you know, a fellow can't live on books, meaning a fellow just cannot be satisfied with books and richness. To be happy, we need our family and friends. Okay, so look at this question. List some of the things that you need in order to be happy. So this is again a personal response question. हर एक का answer अलग हो सकता है. But students, remember, even if we all have richness, we need our family and friends. And as it is, we all know that grass is always greener on the other side. ठीक है, जो जैसा दिखता है वैसा होता नहीं है, और हमें जो चीज नहीं होती है, we need it all the time. Next, now, okay, Laurie shook his head as he perched on the table. Perching is to sit. He sat on the opposite table. Okay, she's sitting on that chair luxuriously. Before he could say more, a bell rang and Joe flew up. That is, she got a little surprise because उसके घर में उसको शायद आदत नहीं है. Exclaiming with alarm, mercy me means, oh God, it's your grandpa. Mercy me is, oh God. That's an exclamation. Well, what if it is? You are not afraid of anything. So, you know, here now this boy is not as simple as he seems to be. Okay, he's also a little naughty. तो कहता है, अरे तुमने तो कुछ टाइम पहले कहा था कि तुम किसी चीज से नहीं डरती, फिर अब क्या हुआ? I think I'm a little afraid of him, but I don't know why I should be. वो लड़की कहती है कि मैंने कुछ गलत तो नहीं किया, तो मुझे डरना तो नहीं चाहिए, तो बट शायद थोड़ा सा डर है. क्यों डर है मुझे नहीं पता, ऐसा उसको कहती है. क्यों, why am I afraid? I don't know. Mommy said, okay, I might come, and I don't think you are any the words for it, said Joe, composing herself, though she kept her eyes on the door. So she says कि I should be going, मुझे शायद घर जाना चाहिए. Okay, but then ठीक है, she's composed. Composed is she is comfortable. I'm a great deal better for it. Ever so much obliged. I'm only afraid you're very tired of talking to me. It was so pleasant, I couldn't bear to stop, said Laurie gratefully. He is very happy in her company, and he says that, okay, I am only afraid. I think I've troubled you too much. Okay, I've troubled you too much. You must be tired talking completely. Okay. To me, but it was really great having you over. Okay, the doctor has come to see you, sir, said the maid, beaconed as she spoke. Okay, beaconed is वो इशारा कर रही थी. She was pointing out that the doctor has come to see you. So you know, students, this line again tells us that this boy is a little ill. उसे शायद कोई बीमारी है जिसकी वजह से उसे बाहर जाना मना है, उसे बहुत कुछ करना मना है. Okay, would you mind if I left you for a minute? I suppose I must see him, said Laurie. Don't mind me. I'm as happy as a cricket here. Students, your cricket means an insect, which is, you know, very, very, it keeps on cricking. It keeps on making that cricky noise all the time. कोई भी मौसम हो, ये अपना आवाज करते रहता है. So she says that don't worry. क्योंकि लड़का कहता है मुझे शायद जाना पड़ेगा. Is it okay if I leave you for a minute? So she says, don't worry at all. I'm as happy as a cricket here. Laurie went away and his guest amused herself in her own way. Amused herself is she entertained herself in her own way. She was standing before a fine portrait of an old gentleman when the door opened again, and without turning, she said decidedly, I'm sure now I shouldn't be afraid of him, for he's got kind eyes, though his mouth is grim and he looks as if he has tremendous will of his own. He isn't as handsome as my grandfather, but I like him. So students, what do you think? Can you guess who's come at the door? Okay. And what is, what is this girl doing? Yes, obviously she's looking at the portrait, that is the picture of ग्रैंडफादर ओके और फोटो देख के वो बड़ा सा पेंटिंग देख के उसे समझ में आ रहा है कि ये आदमी उतना भी शायद बुरा नहीं है, उतना मुझे डरना नहीं चाहिए इससे। उसका ठीक है, उसका माउथ इज अ लिटिल ग्रिम, दैट इज सीरियस, उसका फेस शायद थोड़ा सीरियस लगता है, बट आई एम श्योर ही इज गुड। ही इज नॉट एज हैंडसम एज माई ग्रैंडफादर, मेरे ग्रैंडपा, मेरे दादाजी जितना हैंडसम नहीं है, बट आई लाइक हिम। वो she's used to talking, so she goes on and on and on. But then whom do you think, students, who's come at the door? All right, let's just find out. But before that, list the things that Joe notices in the portrait. उसने फोटो में क्या क्या देखा है? तो here everything is mentioned. Okay, he's got kind eyes. Okay, kind eyes. Okay, grim mouth. All right, grim mouth. Yes, he has tremendous will of his own, means he can take, he's very confident, he's dominant maybe, but he's not as handsome as her grandpa. उसके दादाजी जितना वो handsome वो नहीं थे. Okay, so see, you can see this is the girl. She is sitting there in the library. Come to page 10 is over. Now page 11. Thank you, ma'am, said a gruff voice. Gruff is a very serious voice, okay, behind her, and there to her dismay is disappointment. Okay, as I asked you, she was expecting whom to come by the door. Obviously it was Laurie, but now who had heard her? It was nobody else. मतलब वो जिसके बारे में बात कर रही थी वही इंसान उसके पीछे खड़ा था. Obviously it was the old grandfather, Mr. Lawrence. Poor Joe, she blushed, she didn't know how to react. Okay, she blushed, she tried to smile, but then she couldn't, and she was a little nervous. Okay, her heart began to beat uncomfortably. Heart began to beat uncomfortably means here this line tells us she is scared. उसके मन में ऐसा reaction था, oh my god, अब मैं क्या करूं, पकड़े गए. Okay, and her heart was beating really very fast. For a minute, a wild desire to run away possessed her. उसे लगा अभी मैं यहाँ से भाग जाऊं, okay, मुझे मैं कहीं छुप जाऊं. But then उसके दिमाग में एक चीज आया, और it was very cowardly. अरे ये डरपोक लोग सिर्फ ये करते हैं, और वो डरपोक नहीं थी. उसे लगा कि everybody will laugh at her. Girls would laugh at her. Girls meaning students, the girls is her, definitely her sisters. जब उन्हें पता चलेगा कि वो वहां से भाग कर आई है, they would be laughing at her. So she decided, resolve is to decide. Okay, she decided to stay and get out of the scarf as she could. She decided that she would stay there, she would face it. Okay, now look at this blue, the question in the blue column. Find out the reason for Joe's dismay. The reason for her dismay is upset. She's upset because she was expecting Laurie to come at the door, but then it was not Laurie, it was his grandfather, and he had obviously heard whatever she had spoken about him. Okay, he had obviously heard what she had spoken about him. Okay, then a second look showed her that living eyes under the bushy eyebrows were kinder than the painted ones. जब उसने उनको ध्यान से देखा तो उसने क्या नोटिस किया? वो आंखें, okay, they were really very kind than the painted ones. There was twinkle in them. एक चमक थी उन आंखों में. They were very kind. So she feels उसका वो डर है जो वो पल भर का रहता है वो चला जाता है. Okay, it lessened her fear. उसका डर कम हो जाता है. The gruff voice was gruffer than ever. That serious, it was really serious. It was rough. So you are not afraid of me, hey? ओके, तो क्या, तो वो पूछ रहे दादाजी, क्या तुम मुझसे डरती नहीं? नॉट मच. ओके, And don't you think me as handsome as your grandfather? Not quite, sir. नहीं, मैं तो आपसे मतलब ठीक है, मैं आपसे नहीं डरती हूँ, बट आप डेफिनेटली मेरे दादाजी जितने हैंडसम नहीं हैं. And I've got tremendous will. Tremendous will, I told you, students, it's great confidence. Okay. I only said I thought so. So, she's very clear about what she's talking. So, this shows a maturity. Okay. उसने कहा कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है. Maybe I'm wrong. But you like me in spite of it. Yes, I do, sir. Just a minute, students. We have skipped a lot of lines. Yeah. Here we are. Okay, here we are. So she says, Ki, do you like me? Okay, so the girl replies, yes, of course I like you, sir. So that answer pleased the old gentleman. See, one thing, there was nobody, not many people used to come to that house. But then this girl was so innocent and she says that she likes him. So there is a smile on this person's face. He's very happy. He gave her a short laugh, okay, at her innocence, shook hands with her, putting his finger under her chin, turned up her face, okay. She was definitely looking down, वो नीचे देख रही थी, तो उन्होंने अपने हाथों से उसका चेहरा ऊपर उठाया, examined it gravely, gravely is seriously, let it go, saying with a nod, उसने उसका चेहरा देखा उस लड़की का, and क्या कहा, you have got your grandfather's spirit if you haven't had his face. He was a fine man, my dear. But what is better, he was brave and honest one, and I was proud to be his friend. Now, this was something Joe did not know, isn't it? This was something Joe did not know. Okay, Joe को क्या पता चलता है कि ये जो अंकल है, ये जो दादाजी है, ये दादाजी और उसके दादाजी मतलब लॉरीज फादर, ग्रैंडफादर एंड हर ग्रैंडफादर वो फ्रेंड्स. Okay, and he knows lot about her grandfather. वो कहते हैं he was a fine man, all right, he was brave, he was honest. So उससे उन्हें ऐसे लोग पसंद थे. So he says that I was happy to be his friend. I was proud to be his friend. So this is a surprise for Joe, isn't it? Thank you, sir, said Joe, quite comfortable. So, this line tells us that उसका डर जो है अब completely चला गया है. What have you been doing to this boy of mine, eh? मतलब तुम दोनों बच्चे क्या कर रहे थे? Only trying to be neighborly, sir. So your neighborly means friendly. Okay, your neighborly means friendly. All right, neighbor duty. As a neighbor, students, what are your duties? To be helpful, to be kind. All right, to ask them if they're doing good. कभी कभार ऐसे पूछ लेना चाहिए. So यही वही चीजें ये लड़की कर रही थी. She's very smart to answer that. Don't you think so? Okay, she tells them that I was only trying to be neighborly, that is doing my duty. You think he needs cheering up a bit, do you? क्या तुम्हें लगता है उसे थोड़ा हंसना चाहिए, थोड़ा खुश होना चाहिए? Yes sir, he seems a little lonely. Of course वो लगता है कि अकेला है. And young folks, we go on to the last page, page 12 of the lesson. Young folks would do him good, perhaps. Young folks is friends, children of his age. घर में कोई नहीं था, नौकर थे जो उससे अपने काम में बिजी रहते थे और दादाजी थे जो अपने बुक्स में बिजी रहते थे. So she says that and look at her honesty and her frankness. She says that हाँ वो अकेला है और उसे अपने एज के लोगों के साथ ज्यादा रहना चाहिए. We are only girls, but we should be glad to help if we could. So ये ऐसा टाइम था जब गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज में the differentiation was very clear in the society. So वो लड़की कहती है हम सिर्फ लड़कियां हैं, but I'm sure we can help you. Okay, we cannot forget the splendid Christmas present you sent us, said Joe eagerly. Splendid is lovely. All right, for Christians, students, Christmas presents are very important. So she says that I cannot forget the Christmas present you sent us. So as a part of being a good neighbor, I had come to just check upon your grandson. मैं सिर्फ आपके पोते को I just come to ask if he was good. That was the boy's affair. Okay, boy's affair is idea. Your affair is students' idea. Okay, so this boy was also missing a family. He was missing friends. So probably this was his idea to start the friendship. How is the poor woman? Poor woman, he is asking about her mother. So here poor matlab garib nahi, students. So actually here he is referring to somebody, all right, they are helping. And poor woman, we come to know in the next paragraph, students. He is talking about a lady, all right. See, here it's given in the blue column, a poor family whom the March family helps. मतलब ये लड़कियां और उनकी फैमिली एक औरत को हेल्प करते थे और उसका सरनेम है हमल्स. Okay, उसका सरनेम है हमल. So he is asking her, how is the poor woman doing? Okay, in whom her mother had interested richer friends than they were. Okay, जो उसकी मम्मी ने क्या किया था, उनके फ्रेंड सर्कल में जो रिच औरतें थी, she had collected money, probably she had collected help in order to help this Hamil. Okay, Hamil is the poor woman. Just her father's way of doing good. I shall come and see your mother some fine day. Tell her so. There's the tea bell. We have it early on boy's account. Come down. Go on being neighborly. Okay, so she says that yes, your father also likes to help people. Matlab, he knows this grandfather, Laurie's grandfather knows her family. Okay, so he gives her a message that tell your mother I'm going to come and meet her. Okay, और हम चाय जल्दी पीते हैं. So he's inviting her to have tea with them. Come on, go on being neighborly. Okay, being neighborly is come on, have tea with us as a good neighbor. Okay, if you would like to have me, sir, अगर आपको अच्छा लगेगा मैं आऊंगी तो I'll definitely come. Shouldn't ask you if I didn't. Okay, हमें मुझे we are enjoying your company, इसके लिए मैंने तुम्हें invite किया है. Okay, अगर हमें if we hadn't liked you, we wouldn't have invited you. And Mr. Lawrence offered her his arm with old-fashioned courtesy. Students, this was a fashion in those days. You know, women, when they were invited, the men used to give out a hand, offer their hand to take them. All right, this was an old style. Of course, today nobody does it. So students, we need to, when we are reading this particular lesson, we need to keep in mind the time in which this particular story was written. और ये तभी के etiquette थे, ये तभी के manners थे. लेकिन जो के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था, what would Meg say to this as she was marched away, as in she walked away. Okay, she was just thinking कि उसकी जब when she goes home, when she tells all these exciting details to her sisters, how are they going to react, how excited are they going to be. So you know, we can make out, students, the innocence and the liveliness, okay, that Jo has. This is her very positive nature of hers, due to which she has brought life in the Lawrence family, Laurie and his grandfather's life. She's going to bring a change in their lives, definitely, with her behavior. So with this, we come to the end of 1.1. Students, very soon, I'll come back with another topic. But till that time, students, now that you have understood the chapter, you should be doing all the questions. You should be solving the questions. You should be writing the answers. Okay. Of course, all the questions in the blue column have been solved orally. But students, remember, only when you write, you are going to learn. So don't forget to write and don't forget to watch the video in detail. Thank you so much, students. Bye-bye.